You don't need a new life. Read that again. Because everything you've been chasing might not be what you actually need. You think a new place will fix you, a new phone, a better body, better people. But tell me this. If you take your same mind into a new life, what really changes? You wake up every day with the same thoughts, the same doubts, the same excuses. I'll start tomorrow. I'm not ready. I don't feel motivated. And slowly, that becomes your identity. Not because it's true, but because you repeat it. Your life is not controlled by your situation. It's controlled by how you see it. Two people can go through the same struggle. One gives up, the other grows. One sees pain, the other sees a lesson. Same world, different mindset. The moment you change how you think, you change how you act. And the moment you change how you act, you change your life. Not instantly, not magically, but slowly, powerfully. Stop waiting for a new life. Start building it with what you already have. Choose discipline over excuses, action over overthinking, growth over comfort, because no one is coming to save you. You are not stuck. You are just repeating patterns that feel safe. Break those patterns, and you break the limits. You don't need a new life. You just need to become a new version of yourself.